Well, I had a stroke, and that affected my left side, as you know.
Yeah.
In coming in here, all right, we decided to use as much alternate technology as possible that made sense.
Yeah.
Could barely walk. I needed the strap to make sure I didn't fall.
Right.
Okay?
Yeah.
And my hand and arm dexterity couldn't even do what I just did.
Yeah.
All right. So the machines were extremely helpful. All right. The hyperbolic.
You're using our hyperbaric chamber.
And that because we were told that oxygen is what helps the brain heal the best.
Absolutely.
The chamber is really great because I just go in and sit down.
Yes.
I feel very much that my accelerated healing is happening.
Awesome. Hi, I'm Julie Drake with Advanced Energy, and I'm the Wellness on the Go expert here and the emotional regulation coach. And I'm here with Tina because Tina has quite a story to share.
I've been coming here about 4 months. I tried the red light bed, and when it made such a difference for me, I came out and my friend said, "You are really looking a lot straighter." I had scoliosis. I've grown up with that, so I was surprised to see such a difference in such a short amount of time.
I had several years of a lot of medical things. Started with the COVID vaccine. I got vax injury, they call it. And I went through 2 years of being dizzy and headaches and off balance. My body didn't function very well. My heart went into a flutter. A couple months after that, I had breast cancer. They gave me the Nestrosol. Within a month and a half, that shut my body down. I was so broken, my body was so broken, and I was so run down that I just decided there had to be another way. I came here, and this gave me new hope.
You also have a family member that you've brought here, your dad,
Yes.
Chuck.
We had noticed that he was struggling to find his words and that he was having a hard time having conversation with us because of that. So after I came in, he could see such a difference in myself. We decided to invite him to come. So he came, and we have noticed a huge difference in his memory. He also had a hip issue, which it has helped that an awful lot also.
Yeah.
But the memory is it's just been unbelievable. He doesn't struggle for his words anymore.